incompatible. It don't matter though. Someone's there to hear my cry. Speak out if you do. You're not easy to find. It's impossible, Mr. Lovable. It's already in my life, right in front of me, or maybe you're in disguise. Who doesn't look for someone to hold?